Introduction to Betterment iOS App. The Betterment iOS app is a financial management tool designed to help users manage their investments and savings goals. The app provides a simple and intuitive way to track and control finances, making it an ideal solution for individuals looking to take control of their financial lives. Getting started with Betterment. To begin using the Betterment app, users must first download and install it on their iOS device. Once installed, users can create an account and link their financial institutions to the app. This allows the app to track and analyze their financial data, providing a comprehensive picture of their financial situation. Key features of Betterment. The Betterment app offers a range of features that make it an attractive solution for financial management. These include investment tracking, savings goals, and financial planning tools. The app also provides users with personalized investment advice and recommendations, helping them make informed decisions about their financial future. Investment tracking. The Betterment app allows users to track their investments in real time, providing a clear picture of their portfolio's performance. Users can view their investment accounts, including retirement accounts, and track their progress towards their savings goals. Savings goals. The app also enables users to set and work towards specific savings goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or funding a retirement account. Users can set a target date and amount for their goal, and the app will provide personalized recommendations to help them achieve it. Financial planning tools. Betterment offers a range of financial planning tools, including a retirement calculator and an investment allocator. These tools help users create a personalized financial plan, taking into account their income, expenses, and savings goals. Benefits of using Betterment. The Betterment app provides a range of benefits, including low fees, diversified investment portfolios, and personalized investment advice. The app is also highly secure, using encryption and two-factor authentication to protect user data. Conclusion. The Betterment iOS app is a powerful financial management tool that provides users with a simple and intuitive way to track and control their finances. With its range of features, including investment tracking, savings goals, and financial planning tools, the app is an ideal solution for individuals looking to take control of their financial lives. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can get started with the Betterment app and begin working towards their financial goals.